We back at it with another video. Today's a Saturday, beautiful day, over 80 degrees. I should be in the beach. I should be somewhere. But now I'm here with Zoe doing more car stuff. And today, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna wrap the intakes. Let me show you. Let's go to the front of Zoe. Look at Zoe. I love her. All right, guys, so what I wanted to do, I went online and I was checking out for insulation, well, not insulation, heat reflectors or heat resistance or whatever they call it, to put on my on the intakes. And the reason why I want to do it because I'll prevent the heat from hitting these intakes, but you know they're gonna hit anyway, but at least to minimize it. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. That's what I'm gonna tackle, and hopefully I can do it. So I know I will have to take this. I have to take this thing off in order to get a good start, a good wrap from there, and work all the way here. So wish me luck, and hopefully I get to do it today, because with this heat, and I'm already sweating just talking to you for like 2 minutes. Hopefully I'll be able to do it today. Well, now it will be first thing in the morning, but I hope I have the courage to do it. I know when you love a car so much that you just, before you even go to like your house to do anything, you always like take a minute to just to take a look at your car and admire and enjoy the beauty of the car. So that's what I was doing right now. I cut the video short, and like I'm here like for 5 minutes, just staring at my car. You know, when you're like that, it's, you know, it's because you enjoy your car. You know, you enjoy what you do. You enjoy building it from the ground to where you want it to be, and it's awesome. You know, car is gonna be almost a year old. I mean, it's not a year old, but me owning it is gonna be a year, and I think next week. Yeah, next week. It's gonna be next week or the following week. It's gonna be 1 year owning this car, and I did so much to this car. It's unbelievable. I would have never imagined me doing so much to this car. If I show you before, and look at it now after. You know, it's a big change. And guys, promise you that lower lip, I will take it off and get it painted. I promise you, in a month and a half, I will take it to a body shop and get it painted to match exactly the same color as the car, so it could look perfect. What I do now, I mean, right now it just looks like plain. What I usually do, I take a tire. Don't tell anybody, all right? What I do is I take the tire shine, spray a little bit, and I come with this micro cloth and just go along with it, and it gives that beautiful shine, like, you know, your tire shine. And it lasts for like a week, 2 weeks, depending if it's raining or not. It'll last for 2 weeks, that shine, then all of a sudden it just goes away, and then I have to reapply it. Or unless if I wash the car, then it'll come off, no problem, it comes off, so I have to reapply it. So that's how I keep it shiny to look almost like it's really painted. But right now, you know, I washed the car, and I didn't, well, not now, but a couple of days ago I washed the car and I didn't put the shine. So once you wash the car, the shine comes right off. So that's my little secret, that what I do. But I promise you guys, it will get painted. Like I promised, I'm doing the heat shield, but I didn't do it on the same day. It's already Wednesday. So this is what I've done so far. put the heat shield wrap. And so far I'm still using it. I have nothing to hold my camera to show you how I'm doing it, but it's really simple. It's like just take this little back part, and you have the adhesive, and the way I do it, I just put it like right in the middle part, and then I just work my way going back on both ends so it could be even. The little tricky part was the one on top here. Like, you know, I have to pull multiples because it goes like different angles. So, but I got it good. But what I'm doing, I'm putting one layer of this, and then I'm just gonna finish it off with the gold. I guess make it look a little bit better and more, I guess, more protection. I guess, I don't know. You know, try ask for help and nobody wants to help me. So see my bootleg gas cleaner, so clean the thing with it. So yeah, let's keep going. Well, I'm finally done with this side. It's kind of funny, but you know, the benefits are between 15 to 25 degrees Fahrenheit reduced, and that's what it shows on the graph. So hopefully that is true. So on to the other side. I think I did a okay job. You know, let's do this side. Fortunately, it's getting dark, and I just finished doing the first wrap, and I don't know if I should do the second lap. I don't know if I should do the second wrap, the gold one, but knowing me, I will do it. So let's get going. And there you go, my people. I did it. Finished both sides, and it's like 9 o'clock. Not 9 o'clock. It's probably like 8:30. I think this side came out much better. Came out much better than the other side. Oh, great. I got some fucking fly in here. Get the fuck out of my car. Sorry, excuse the language. So there you go, guys. 2 layers. 1 layer of gray and one layer of gold. So 2 layers. So I don't know if people put more or just 1 layer, but I put 2. And it came out nice. So hopefully it works for me. I get between 15 to 25 less of Fahrenheit, 50 to 25 degrees Fahrenheit less. So, you know, this graph shows it, but well, we'll see. We'll check out the gauges, all that good stuff. But anyway, let's go back inside, man. Freaking, I got like bugs biting me left and right. And thanks for this awesome light. My in-laws, my brother-in-law, my sister-in-law got me for Christmas. So awesome. It's like you have like a magnetic thing here, and you just put it right here. Voila. Could work on my car. But this has 2 modes. It has this mode, and then a regular flashlight mode. Pretty cool. There it goes. There you go. Alright guys, I'm gonna go back inside because I'm getting bitten up. Okay, it's day 3, and just wanted to show you how it looks during the daytime. So here it is. So this is how it looks. I mean, it's alright, you know. Just noticed here that I don't know, this piece of tape shrunk or something, because I could have sworn I had this all covered. So this is the first layer of the gray deflector tape, and this is the second one, the gold. But I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna make sure I put one there. See, I don't like this little thing. That's because of the curving. But it's alright. So, you know, I haven't really tested this, but I got this this thing that I hook up to the computer thing, and I hook it up to my tablet, and this is awesome. It'll scan to see if anything's wrong with your car, and also it has these little gauges, like your fuel ratio, your air temperature, coolant temperature, anything you could think of. This has it, and and it's pretty cool. So I didn't really took the time to check it out, but I will tomorrow. And just the only thing is just I have to charge my tablet in order for it to work. Come on, guy, focus this on this, baby. Focus on this. There you go. Thank you. So this is what it is. If you guys plan to buy this, this is cost me I think $8 on Amazon. Really recommend that you guys pick one up. You know, a lot of people asked me about this, and I gave them the website to go to, the link, and just pick up one. It's pretty cool. Probably do a separate video on this thing. It's pretty cool. I originally started this on Saturday. Didn't do anything, so worked on it yesterday for a bit, and now it's day 3, Thursday, and I'm just showing you the finished product here and what's all this good stuff here. And I got one more thing to show you guys. How about we head upstairs so I can show you the last piece of the puzzle before I go tuning on Saturday evening. So come, let's check it out. This right here, baby. EPS tuning throttle bodies. I've been holding onto this for like 2 weeks already, and to be honest with you, I haven't even opened this, so I don't even know everything's there. So you and I are gonna open this for the very first time, and let's take a look at it. I'll be honest with you guys. This is, you see, look. You think I'm playing with you? See, the tape is still there. Hold on, guys. Guys, I'm so lazy to go downstairs. Look what I'm using. This thing to open this crap. So ghetto. So ghetto. Hey, wait, what can you expect? I'm from New York. Something new you guys learned about me. I'm originally from New York, not out here in Florida. Oh my God. All right, guys, hold on. Let's open this up. And we got nothing. It's empty. No, there we go. Come on. Oh, look at that. Wow, this is so cool. What we got here? Thank you for purchasing EPS HRVHR Big Bore Throttle Body Kit. Installation kit is on the website. Well, we don't need this. Sticker. One piece of sticker. Cool. And these are the 2 throttle bodies. If you guys don't know, or never, this is your first time watching this video, 370Zs, they carry 2 throttle bodies, not like one. And these are the spacers. Cool. And these are rubber piece, gasket, I guess that's what it is. No. And these is the harness, the plug and play thing. But they only goes on one side. Yeah, and these are the bolts, all that good stuff. Let me put this back the way it was. This goes next. Don't want to mess this up. You know what I'm saying? I don't mess up anything because I want everything to go right on Friday. This is the other spacer right here, and these are the freaking throttle bodies. Correct me if I'm wrong. The stock throttle bodies are 60 millimeters, and these are 70. I wish I could put a compare to this one up against the stock one. Actually, I saw a video, and yeah, they're big compared to the 60 millimeter that it comes in the 370Z stock. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get more airflow, and this is my last purchase, my throttle body kit from EPS. And hopefully, since I've been having bad luck with these dyno runs, hopefully with this tune, this dyno tune, we'll get some big numbers, and hopefully this is worth this is an investment, because this is not cheap. So hopefully I'll get some good numbers, because this graph shows that whatever horsepower you're gonna get if you install this. So this is gonna mean experience this on my car, and hopefully it's true with these graphs. So, you know, sometimes people lie and all this crap. Well, that's it, guys. I showed you everything. I did the heat shield. I showed you my EPS throttle bodies, and I'll be tuning on Saturday around 4 p.m. at I believe it's called Premier Performance with a tuner named Martin. Heard a lot of great things about him, so hopefully, you know, he could give me the numbers that I need. And, you know, I invested a lot in all these parts, and hopefully, you know, we get some good numbers. And that's about it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share with your friends, and see you on Saturday. Peace.